I got the concrete slab for the driveway shoveled off. Most of it was drifted up on this side over here, as you can see. Put the shovel there for a point of reference. Buried the wheelbarrow back there. This part took probably maybe an hour and a half with some kids trying to help. Maybe 2 hours, I'm not sure when we started. We got the rest of it yet to go. We may hire it out. Not sure. There's the garage where you're just standing. You can't even really see the part that we got done because there's so much left. All the way down here to where the plow pushed it up against the driveway. This is the most snow I've ever seen since we lived here.